In this video, let's talk about picking your first programming language. If you're an absolute beginner and have never written a line of code, I would suggest you to pick either JavaScript or Python as your first programming language. First, let's talk about JavaScript. If you're a visual learner and likes to absorb information using visual means, then learning JavaScript along with HTML and CSS is the best option. JavaScript was originally created as a scripting language and it was intended to work only in web browser environments. One of the best capabilities of JavaScript is to add interactivity to websites. I'll be talking about this at length in future tutorials. In the last decade, the language has gained a lot of traction with the introduction to Node.js. This enabled developers to run JavaScript outside of web browser environments. Nowadays, JavaScript is also being used in hardware programming. I would recommend learning HTML and CSS languages before diving into JavaScript. They are not programming languages, but they are very significant when it comes to web development. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. All the websites that we see on the browser are finally rendered based on the HTML code that is given to the browser. HTML is a markup language which tells the browser what contents should be part of the web page, and CSS dictates how the content should be displayed. CSS enhances the look and feel for the content that is part of the HTML code. They are relatively simple and easy to understand. Now let's talk about Python. Python is an interpreted language used for general purpose programming. I feel that it should be introduced as the first programming language in the school curriculum. You can build pretty much everything in Python, but it is widely used in data science field and other backend web development projects. Having said that, picking a programming language is also dependent on what type of programming that you are interested in. If you already know what kind of programming you are interested in, it is easier to pick a language. For example, if you want to get into game development, you could pick C# or C++. If you are interested in backend web development, where you are interested in building logical components of a web application, you could pick Python, Java, or Golang. If you are particularly interested in building websites or web applications on the front end, you need to pick JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. You could pick some libraries and frameworks after you have a foundational understanding of how these three work together. If you are someone who is interested in mobile application development, you could pick Swift for iPhone applications and Java or Kotlin for Android apps. Since I like teaching programming using real-world examples with visual cues, I'll teach HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in the next set of tutorials, followed by Python tutorials in another series. You don't need any prior experience to follow these tutorials. I'll cover all the foundational topics on these languages and we will build a project with what we have learned at the end of the series. All you need is a computer, patience, and determination to go through this journey. It doesn't matter what kind of computer you have to learn HTML and CSS. Since HTML and CSS are web languages, we need a modern web browser running on our computer. Google Chrome has been my preferred browser, but feel free to use your favorite browser. You can download all the modern browsers easily from the internet depending on your computer and operating system. Your learning graph will be non-linear, meaning you might hit roadblocks from time to time and eventually solve them. If this happens to you, remember that you are on the right learning path and it is natural to be frustrated sometimes when you are on this journey. I want to say a few last things straight up without any filters before I end this video. You need patience and time to learn programming languages or anything new in life. You might find videos like Learn JavaScript or HTML in 1 hour on YouTube. This is absolute bullshit. So please don't buy into such ideas and try to take those shortcuts. It doesn't matter if you are learning programming through these videos or anywhere else from the internet. But if you are approaching it for the very first time, I recommend you to invest time and learn it with passion. Don't worry about how these skills will be relevant in the future. If you learn one programming language, it is easier to learn other programming languages. So remember that you are not memorizing the syntax of a language, but you are understanding the concepts of programming through a language. As always, remember to enjoy the journey. If you are new here, please like, share and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next series of tutorials where we'll be writing our first lines of code in HTML.